Hi everyone, welcome back. See, in this video, I'm going to explain how to display this pattern. See, whenever you want to display this pattern, so what are the background values you need to understand first? See, the shape you need to consider. Look at this. I'm just considering this is the background pattern values because both are looking same. So we know that easily you can print this one because every row starting with the same value, that is 1, and every row ending with a different value, that is I. So what is that I value? In the first row 5, next 4, 3, 2, 1. First I am writing this outer loop, I equals to 5, I greater than or equals to 1, I minus minus. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Next come to that inner loop. In inner loop, every row starting with 1 and ending with I. For j value starting with 1, ending with I, j plus plus. Like this we are writing inner loop. If you print j value, system.out.println j, this pattern will print, but we don't want to print the numbers. We need to print stars. So all you need to do in place of j, just printing that stars. And to send the control to the next line, we should send the control to next line using the println. This is the simple way of understanding this code. Whenever they ask you to print this pattern, just you need to understand this pattern. The way printing stars instead of j is the only difference. Hope you understood. Please follow us.